Hey everyone, this is Jan, and I am giving you a little quick, boring update on developing my little indie game, Urufu Grand Adventure, working title. I found a little workflow that works really well. I filter for the sprites that I want rather than going to the animation state here in Unreal Engine 5, in which I am making a little pixel art game. May seem unusual, but there's more of us than you can imagine. So over here, we've got our cues, right? And if you set them up for one, you set them up for all directions. And I learned the other day to make custom notifies, as these are called. I learned how to set up an interface and make functions for my player to interact with the interface or to execute what is being asked of it. Very cool stuff. Immediately had me thinking about, maybe I can take out a lot of those pickup item casting that I tend to do all over the place and make things like much more organized and lighter on the engine. But I just wanted to create a little, splash footstep splash effect, and it is not quite lining up nicely, so I have to go through every one of these directions. This is the running animation instead of the walking animation. The walking I cleaned up, which was also easily an hour and a half of work. I have been doing these directions now, this one, I'm now doing this one for easily 2 hours. It is very tedious when you have 19 frames of animation per direction, so 8 times 19. It is not hard, it is just incredibly boring. You have to make sure you use the exact same name. Otherwise, you keep creating new sprite sockets or nodes for the animation to play off, which is not what you want. And now I have to move the node. The green or Y, when it goes into plus, it's in front of the sprite. When it goes into minus, it's behind the sprite, which is a good thing to know. And this is what I have to do. That's one. We close it. We add another one. Do I have to add them for every single frame of animation? No, I don't. I should just add them frames of animation that have the notify, right? Unfortunately, I just got stuff happening in places that they're not supposed to, so I think the timing is not always an exact science. That doesn't make sense because of course we're dealing with numbers here, but adding them to all the frames solved my issue where the footstep splash would appear in places and at times when it wasn't supposed to. So basically it makes it look nicer. That's it. And now I'm going to finish this one up and find the top right direction, and that should be it. Big test. Walk softly. Okay, much better. Okay, so now the test for the run. This is looking good. Okay. I'm beat. See you guys in the next one.